Hello, my name is Muhammad Zulfahmi Muhammad.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Afiq Fikri bin Cik Amran.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Faizal bin Jainuddin.
Hello, my name is SD Muhammad James Faris bin SD Muhammad Johari.
Today, we want to discuss and decide the best activity for the week. Okay. As candidate A, in my opinion, is there a special event or anniversary that you would like to commemorate, or do you want to plant the trees for Earth Day or Arbor Day? Where will you plant the trees? If your club is lucky enough to own its own clubhouse with some land attached, there may be a place for special trees. If one of your members own lands or know someone locally who owns lands, that may be a place where the trees will be welcome. If you are organizing a private tree planting project, you will need to raise funds to push the trees. The specimen trees will be more expensive, and you may want to work with a nursery which will transport the tree and do the actual planting. So you will simply arrange a celebration. When FOCO held its conference in Washington DC in 2000, we raised $250 at the conference to push a cherry trees which we planned in Tidal Blessing at the close of the conference. Small sapling or bare roots trees are relatively inexpensive. Lastly, you will meet interesting people and will learn about geography and climate of your adopted land. You will learn what the trees thrive there, and you may be lucky enough to experience the creation of the new woodland which change and beautiful the landscape. Okay, what's your opinion?
In my opinion, as a candidate B, visit a national park for good health and great scenery. A national park visit offers the chance to be active if you take advantage of the many hiking, walking, and other activities, travel opportunities that are available. National parks are scarce places where a country natural and cultural treasure protected into perpetuity. What most people don't know is the extensive conservation work that goes into this park and every park to keep them not only beautiful but thriving ecology havens which play a vital role in our country health. A trip to a national park calms the mind, prevents melancholy feelings and stress, and also make you forget everyday troubles. The health benefits expensive are greater when staying outdoor overnight as opposite to day trips and visitors traveling to national park from afar experience more effect on their physical well-being than this coming from people right. Visitor hiking in groups increase their social well-being and strengthen their friendship. Hiker also experience physically benefits, for example that clean air and silence are good for the body. National park are significant exercise environment for fins. The benefits of natural park is public health is improving, and second mental well-being. A trip to a national park lift your mood effectively and revitalize you from the effect of stress. It also will increase serenity and calmness, happiness, vitality, and the feeling of security. Next, what is your opinion?
Okay, in my opinion, candidate C. Organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. I have a good suggestion that we can do for neutral week. I suggest to organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. We all know students are often busy with assignment giving by the lecturer, and this can put the student in stress if the assignment is too much to do. So I think my recommendation is more student friendly. Many benefit will become Many benefit will come from camping. Camping also allow us to cope with stress. Stress can negative affect our healthy in just about very where possible. And we are putting much less strain in our mental and physical faculty by giving ourselves some stress-free time at the campsite. After that, it also can foster close relationship with friends. We will enjoy a unique exercise to experience together that will help to keep a happy relationship and many more. Socialists and extend our lifespan and delay memory problem, according to research published in the American Journal Public Health, and apart for the medical benefit. Feel close relationship make life more fun. So I think proposal I can be recommended from this program. What do you think?
So my opinion is organize a cycle day. We all know that we should be kind to the planet and take care to recycle we can, but it can be hard to do the right thing when you are sure what to recycle, what to toss, and where to store it all until trash pickup day, or in our case, until we make a trip to our local recycle center. The key to being organized with recycling is to make sure that you have a place for everything you intend to recycle, and that you have instruction readily available too, so that everyone in your household know actually what can be recycled and how to prepare the item for recycle. That's all mine.
Okay, so what the best plan for this week?
I think the best place for this week is National Park. Yeah, because I have many activities like the hiking, jungle trekking, and campfire.
Oh, nice. I agree.
Oh, so I will organize a trip to a national park this week.
Okay, that's all for today for me. Thank you.
From us.
And from us.
Yeah.
Sorry.